Now, lastly, that brings us to styling products. Personally, I use just leave-in conditioner, and that is pretty much all I use when it comes to styling my hair. It can be used in a lot of different ways and also moisturizes your hair. But for some styles, you may need some alternative products. So you may need a pomade if you're looking for more of a wet, slick back look. However, you may want to go with a texture paste or a type of clay if you want to go for more of a drier look that has a lot more texture to it. Alternatively, you can use a hair talc powder, which is designed to give your hair a wonderful, wonderful texture. When you put it in, it's dry, it works well, and it washes out quite easy. If I'm looking for a little extra texture with the hairstyle I'm going for, you'll find me using a hair talc powder. So this right here, guys, is most of the products that you're going to be needing inside of this e-course and beyond this e-course. There's a few other that you may learn on your journey that you want or need, but this is a pretty exhaustive list that should get you going. Remember, this is an iterative process and you'll find the products that serve you best through it, but these should serve you well on the beginning of your journey.